much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Minyaba, I'm say near Ghana no, when your policies are same. Any braba, and maybe your school near Jumanye. I didn't say leadership is what it is. That is what it is. On my year, can you for entering a playing fasono, young baby. And how many years my say as maybe no baby school when you're Jumanye? And my baby, yes, for police for Commodium, say for Commodium, Mountain Casa. It is time for that change. The time is now. I feel cross another call a clown. Because I know Ronaldo as an action-oriented personality. But you see Ronaldo or a clown. This is not Ronaldo or a fake. And say Ronaldo will be a fan bra. Listen, in the time of Kwame Nkrumah, we were able to fix how many factories in this country, from Greater Accra to Northern region, Western Eastern region. Kwame Nkrumah see factories everywhere. At the time, Ghana had almost nothing. And then Ghana's oil was yes. Your gold was the same. Mineral was the same. How much are you professional beggar? Or Sadia on the yes? Is it the same as a president? Public pet. I'll protect the personal
and aircraft
or the personal money and no use kind of money. Say every month you just money. What nonsense! It is time for action, and the time is now. Look here, what's here? I say, fix Akosomo textiles factory now, and the CPP. It can be done. We can fix it. It's common sense. Leadership. You say, Nanado, I didn't want to so fix it. Sorry, my ya artisticwa. Sorry, I'm not gonna for aya artisticwa. You need prayer. Unia, Dano. Kasa. Obia sorry. When you see Obia de Obia sorry, Obia Comodino. The country must be fixed now. And Kuma fixed it. We can fix it. Let's do it now. Thank you very much.
Okay. Kasa. Ghana pay for. Me pa Ghana pay for Muntiano ye. We NDC asem. NPP asem. Okay. Yenya ye tro abamamuna. Yemo yema meni papa mko gina yuma homache e ko to abama mu na ye kasa ye ka kire mo say e corruption na ye ko yes corruption no e kufu ado anu aduane corruption no ba omi anu aduane e otunfu anu aduane o chin anu aduane e pay for na create corrupt system in my youth na ebre nti ye ka kire mo say omunya o ma na ye kan no mo say ye ne fix ya into any affect your attitude. And the Akache, my memo say, you see, I know politicians and say, you need answer. Until you catch your Mobian trouble and from you. You pen this view, you pen people view. Article 71, Tokura Dawa, Emma, and for 4, Emma, Muyeskedi, can say MC4, can say Obibia. Or 2 4 and paying for or any biala or share Article 71 or share or yes, Kedi, I need to know. Modi mebunu ebo mo ban edu kum Ghana for no mon kan mu no say youth na mu use mo du ku youth no mu ku ya apem baba ye no ye nsuro wuo ye nsuro so hire ye ka kire mu muntie ni ye Ghana for ye ma obi akwan ma onko to ababio ye ma obi akwan no onko to ababio UN we want you to intervene. UN, come and rescue us. Our leaders are killing us. You see, they are killing us. They are suffering. A lot of people are suffering and in hunger. Like people are dying on the streets of Ghana. We are suffering. Come and rescue us.
Yeah, wait, anybody. Me person asante ni unu say. Oye penny ye bunu. But I never come person ye asante mine. Asante no tumfo. Ote kokoso. Me person de ba ko no ye asante mine. Asante fo ni mpoboa ye ba ni mpoboa. Ombre one factory pa asante here. Ombre one factory. Enfama asante mine. Na munya mpoboa. Asante for business wo mu ye. Otumi ya factory we bu asante mine. Ni di be ko wiase nyina waje di ndada omba modern enya one factory enfa ma santeman eno pe ena mehia e dey fino asante hene ya pe bibia god no sagunu kwankwa bro chire no abre ya abre ni god no nti enfa god no enfa ya factory ya rase
ana yese busia fo mo hwe ni bre amanfo edi tu dwa a omodwentre efa enyama sesa omampani na nado danko akufado ogusu ayama eye omam no ni nyina na say ne de enya politics nti ana mo wa han se enya politics nti no mo wa mse na ye so omam ni betimi atumpo omam ni betimi agina omam ni betimi ayayie anu nti ana mo nyina ba pie mu ewo ahanum se we say for the independence country independence square hon ma ha ana mo gwa hye mu aya adekase nyini na ewo hon mu iti yagusu kwa no ba papa sa ogasa na
ya pese kaja Kufuor say yesira no 77 years on susu nyale owiem onfa mo ani sika ne mo aye onu na actually atum 79%. Ana police for na mo guardian no aye betumi prepare bi no or the 4% okay 9 cities meboa Akufuor do anwene ye ho woni ba omia onu kwala mpese mebo ni di biolaya wo ye true for papa iti yesira na omani ya man sika ne sika yesira no onya omani ye man
aka mi kuma ye ni sanka amana be ko enim sei sanka man ba ni se wetire
too much
Akufuor no onu na
Pastelia too much Prophet 99 ye Prophet 99 ya mi nie mi jembare mi how nyina ni say too much for me how nyina ni say na nando si Ghana say ogunu Ghana say obi da prison Ghana say obi ewu Ghana say obi down form Ghana say shopping machine and then na o invite ya info for nyina general meeting na o ka ja info for nyina say ohini bia iso wasase so a obema ho kwan say timani bia kwa say iso ni bia abani e wo bi kan I don't think Ghana say ye be say no we matali we anim say Kofi Buachi baby am dina be say no mu ja Kofi Buachi maye na mo money station na discipline na my Ghana eta to miesa them port duty is too much o man na the to mine them port duty is too much dia ya pa my pa dia ya pa my 2/6 back 50 Ghana Raul 50 Ghana ada ye kwa ye buy me how liye for that night me chiobia apia anya sati badia to LGBT ya peja apia anya gabi otresa okay otreda
media for no ya mo kanu crack akra media for they say ye ba mo so media for no wa jeje brai muko hu ade na ma ya dete we mu ya dete na muko be twa media for ka ye ba mo so media for ye ba mo so na be twa mo kapa o kroma media for
na din trade ya sama sha andos ye baba
Akufuor is haram. Akufuor is haram to the country. Say, or the Ghana, or haram, or the Ghana ye gay center, or the also cathedral. Oh, Bible muno. You see, you should not worship idols. Wakoje buo de abetu from Israel. E de abetu also cathedral e dey. E ye busum e na waja betu. See, you see, the architect, gay architect of cathedral, or a gay, and to be a gay. 100 no see into every month, and more beyond to ya. Utia, young couple bebausu, Utia one city cry, young couple bebausu, new busia forsu. Akufuor was say Ghana, or the Ghana ye gay center.
And yeah, only this MPP, NDC and MPP. Yeah, the man. Hey, NDC and MPP, we are selfish leaders. Good. When they come, almost say about you better say, you better it is castle or comedy and the what by and which our Yeleka? What about what person we are one also we nipa. Tell me. Mas Yaniablo. So money me answer.
So one kind of crown. Me a journalist, Nibi. Shemendim Feng, see my face. Me a journalist. Look at say yan kind of crown. Uncanny ye. I'm a news editor. Uncanny ye. For the last time, uncanny ye. We will not blame the politicians. We will come and blame the media. And let me tell you something to be true. So one can ye. Me a journalist. So I decided to stand aback. Now me follow. Why? We want the truth. We want the truth. Say uncanny ye. Now see the one na I call this couple. Jimmy for. On cost for no. You better blame me here. We have to be very, very careful as a journalist. We have to be very careful as a media person. We have to be very careful as a journalist. So, we are coming in to help others, to help the citizens, to help the ghetto youth, to help the young people that start to focus for way. Now, number 2, yet to come we have to allow 79%. We are public. When Jimmy to the extent said, nurses for now, they are shape before teachers for some colade. Now I can pay 4%. Who in 1,000 teacher as I can tell myself to become a teacher, that doesn't mean say you have to become a billionaire. You are stupid. When Jimmy to the extent that dancer are doing a billion. Now, people are suffering. Demonstration, young coach. Now you are coming to block over Adabak market hall. Mamika Samicho. So one show you. A journalist. Look me well. See, madam. Minister, look me well.
How much you guys in the and I guess I know what to know. You just come from home. And I have Ghana, Moton Kwan, and I'm Ghana. And I will be Pante grandpa, who's was to grab a draw. Now, Bruno, you're not Jumaya, one of the tomatoes on the Yokada. I don't think anybody from my sir. Mutimon thing.
It is a year Juma. That's a Tioka. 300, 400, 500. Ebeyo them. What hard dying? What, mommy? What hard dying? Who trains you? Who tell lights? Who bedidi? Who be show mommy? At the age like this, you have to look after your mother, you have to look after your father. At least, I saw man no mukaka. It's who need answer. Say Juma. My youth, mommy, you're a journalist. I say me can't me won't tell me. It is getting or it is becoming not becoming. It is me, them who told me, oh baby, I'm a work. But I will not sit down. I will not sit down. Share me all the way from Lungwa, Bifaka, Ebejua. I said I will not follow the correspondent. I will not follow the reporter. Person. I'm coming as a citizen. I'm coming as a Miagana. I'm coming as a Mebetua. Share. Ube to about consider my me for no mujina sorry I'm at 2 o'clock. Ebi a boss to form. Say. So Jimmy. Jimmy.
Children hospital. Children hospital. Almost say you are children hospital in Kurani Ibre. In Kurani would be a into they should fix the children hospital. Almost say children hospital. Everyone's at home. Every place be a hospital be our piano. They should fix it. Because in Kurani will be a young person that be a yellow because young pet some mess at the end. They should not try it again.
You let me say your friend me John Kodo. Na me nua no aka bebre. Na mo me say message kakra me di ma Akufo-Addo ne say one share placard na me kra no. Nyama matrochro wo so.
Let institutions work, not macho men.
Yeah. Nti no say institution be adwuma na nya macho men dia. Adana there are certain institutions na say work for na macho men to ase omuso na pam omu wa to abama se be hwe yeso after say ye nim die ni ayedi wo di kan so ko no wa ko ye hwe nti bu be ama nanado ene se kwati kwa so be ma duma na wa hwe ni ye na mom se mi ma no quotation bi min ka na ko ese ma ye president because me papa na uncle kan Proverbs 12:1. Uncle can Proverbs 12:1. Na so to me kanya anani pobe kanya man o to me cannot ti bro for na all the good for my baby entiasem. So to me this a proverb na say dia any any placard na me onya de once again we frame do on tell me sufre ya frame me kwaku onu su di kwaku na onya de Wednesday bon.
Autonomia en fait. Non. O ka se pas moins de CMPP free soir. My bio parti ben o muni munyansa kwa mi kuma pro no le kwani party organ say it be break zero say bri ba ye be ye ndi CMPP nya ti mi aka mo be ye di ni pane mo na musio
na isi ya ukra
free and coast. Dubai to say Ghana, come to come free and go to Dubai and go to holidays. Dubai 20 years ago, Rwanda 20 years ago, 20 years ago, Rwanda, no road in your choke into Kachena now to say, or fix Ghana, or make Ghana yet to say Rwanda. Now you were Japadia, I was Sika, I was Nyoma, I said Rwanda. On Yakasano, no fixing, no can't pet on Yakasa. Amemwo enye kasa eyadwene
yo na do for say egusu edi eye nkofo no echi ekọ eye Independence Square no amanfo bia ne hawa odi be pie mu ewa ha dodo na aka to say enye politics nti anamo wa no mpese oman ne etimi etumpo na enida so a ewo omani so no yetimi adeba nyina ne sese oman timi yeye be kan nyina ene ne yamusa so kan no kasa say media fuo ye mo tajidi sika every year politicians so na musu nti se mu ntimi enfant wo ne mon kai se and then omu free politicians no wa omo ya de omo ba mo so adofo yegusu di eye nkofo nati ekwakotie ni akoso awo eye Independence Square se me ka cho se too much DH eba ye ba be so mu gusu
kata wanu o wanu D8 kaka ja over libo MPP manu kaka onto yo do kudo do odoto mana mi anya peace MCs, we were ready because if the hit is from the president, we are coming to.
Joe Abusia for one share too much GHR. Yeah, never PM why I can say. I do and then I have 4th August. I have freedom fighters for you now with the movement gym. I have fix the country once and 7 na mama share any break man for I PM or her. Ni na so mo pre ama na do dan kwaku ado o mo su friend na do dan kwaku ado say and the gas mo ne boy den ai gas boy the fuel so dey aye den ne enyama boy den e wo mai much say na do dan kwaku ado ko den ni kwaso anka ni na be den e be boy e o mai ene o hwe e school phone man dudu na eni e classroom po am betina mo sabi o no manya bebi atimi asuande obi su kra o ha classroom no ho enso ekunni obetimi atena so e de asu ade ni nyina ebi enim ho wo be ku abi binum so so hospitals ahodo a wo man mu no enyema enimu ni ntina no ntina ho ye omampani ne ne nkrofo so mo yare ne de ya omo ntimi ntina oman ni mu etimi ko hospital ni bi na emom omo ko pie mu ewo eye amanone ansa na motimi ya de enya bebi akona de fo ne de me nua be ma bia be pie mu nsam ha no so be bisa no ne eti anam so ne bota ya ode be ye de be pie mu ewo ha papa adenti na nda wa ha
ene buta enti ame wa ne se ye pese ye fix country no mai se bi niam e koso no enye mai enye kura na so man fix ya be fix yo mo ene ye sama NDC won no ma mo hwe se ye MPP ti na ye saw it's not about partisan enti se omo tie kire S3 MPP fo a omo kan hu se omo ba no man be ye no ya omo dey kura no it will be worse than this enti some movements we no etwaso from today and forever until say ye be hu se ensasae aba kromrem enti niente na ade be ye pie no no enti se oman fa we amfa mfutu emfimu a ne be si akire no this is just the warming up we are just warming up so we are warning each and every politician say mamu fa adwundi agrobiom mamu fa adwundi agrobiom niente na ye pie no no youth no ye ne abriko ye be say mu kan hu say ye ndimi ye enti ene ye wa say you are just to demonstrate into where Nima rep fix the country Nima rep and I also be PM wa ano nyame hyiamo too much TV ye damase
too much yeah mesudi enti a nde me buta enti a me ba ha ma ba chale ma nka igbe na igbe fo no mo so mo channel mo ti ase ni ta ma va fia gba nya bare aduya ma ni ji ma je bi kata mi anya you tawa adu agbon ga ka do over the party o support him one in namami lo no hope and wa change do wa fix do no po apomoda no po eastern region moda hospital lo tepe ya mo amlo malio na ko church tum o pupre odo pupre pledge ya NDC play bibio kata wonu de ka o bo ya play V8 ka ka yo do nu ija over libo MPP manu ka ka nto yo do pupre pledge ya V8 odo to from after this mana nyanya assemblymen DCs MPs MCs we were ready because if the heat is from the president we are coming to start from the bottom it will burn everybody up and down.
Of course.
Namiva area man, assemblyman area man, beware. MP, you have to stay in the area. If you are not there, we are not voting for you. If you are not in the village, they are not voting for you. You have to stay with them. If they don't have light, you also suffer. If they don't have water, you also face it. But if you are not there, we won't vote for you. We are waiting for the ballot boxes. No road, yes. No ballot box. If the road is not fixed, the ballot box will not come to the town. Yes. We will stand there and we will face you people. Yes. If you fix it, we will fix you.
Yes. Yes. You better fix us before we fix you people.
It's a 2024 parliamentary and presidential election there. Just say umpire. Ebeja other for your gusu edi ya nkrofo no. Echimungu so yanka ya ho. Busia for our share near Cosso and near. Omo mugu kwa class aton ade nyina esu. Omo commanding and na baye for kuomo and I can na friend ko si here and who may answer another down for father. O me da baji omunye na e bi se esa ko nyina ye si market e mo na sanka market e wo ho anke se omunye na omukọ ho ekoto ade so ni na ya so di ni bia so aja no akwa na ba besi eye na adoda nkwa ekufu ado so ni ewi efi yankasa ye ni ye bia enye de emo ya adofo ene die ampaya ebedwa mo amunim se na nyama akoso butu eni bure so ana manfo ekeke kamanwe eche na adoda nkwa ekufu ado ni hina ne so omusu se na adoda nkwa ekufu ado ene de ese so sorry no tie eye gana fo esufre the first time no oyade oya no who listening president na ko tie eye na nkofo so mo gasa oti omo aso akwa ne second time na akwa ese oria ne sanya dia obeba biom no akwa ese woyi ne ni kakra ama ye Ghana fo nti ne de Ghana fo ni na na ekwa pie mu awo Independence Square mo di omo haw anyina ekwa pie mu esufre ana musu afre na adoda nkwa ekwa do ni na de se o mepre se Ghana ebeye yiye betimi agina pempen so wo hwe Dubai ene amanone afofo na timi emuna yi na yesika ni nyina so yodo nkofo ankasa ankomo nso omoma mpeni omo wo ho no nkomo nso etimi enye bibi enfa ho ankene de nkomo nso etimi enye bibi ankasa oman no so etimi medu mpafo so ene de ye hu a ya compare ya other countries to no ankenya ade betimi edu ho nti sa odo no nka kwaye se aban no so be dia sa odo no ama oman na ana nke bia yesika nsema anese sika wo oman mu no ono nso betimi de siesie nyema e wo oman mu a ankani nyina ebetimi aboa eye Ghana nyina na Ghana etimi akọ eye yenim wei ene Ghana fo do na omutu pre mo de to ma eye Ghana fo busia fo mo sha edi brele die ha uhu amanfo red o ma she de and obie ni asogun Ghana fue ni abre memunu meni abre
adun sem no o say the demons and principalities we break and loose God go punish them a whole will what me be wa no kan
Ghana fue ni na abre se Ghana fue ni abre busia for ma mo hwe ne ya de ne kakaka ekopie mu ewo eya Independence Square ye ko si na too much G8 e be chani na amamo se na ndra ya share mo bo no se be ye no no na eduma no ana egusu ye no nti mungusu anka ya ho aju a police for the Jumano. Say, I na my share. I won't pay worse and me some met me there remu. Oh, baby, and the horses. Pongoso crown, no more to service about some more share. Mamma who be Pongoso and the motor phone in answer to say, and the unfavorable just a gotcha. So, Mamma share. A police phone to ayo, but you are more modern. Omo bomo den say etu otutu course e wodurano ebi enkoso e wa hanmo duo na e de omo asi eye baby ankofu e wa se na omo mefa ho ha adwin bia ni nyina ne say omeboa no maintain eye peace a awon eye omo police for omo dressing any say no magina ya obi bia aye ready say ni ehu behia so meye ade abo eye oman no ho ban no omo gusu eye de eye na do for Enyo, fix the country, Enyo, you do. I'm on for any now, say. I'm on for no pleasure. You see, any bread answer just I have said, you're all shy. Any bread and answer, I said, go. Get a phone your brother. Get a phone your brother. Hey, the apples in you. Too much DH. Huh? Too much.
Okay, young man, you make Kufado. 1, go. Oman in the future. Oman time. 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 Oman in the future.
We are fraud. We are fraud. MPP NDC. We don't need these parties. We are fraud.
Uche. Me mama, Abraham Kroma Otifie. Ono kroma tumi ayo mampeni. Un ma de krontia. Na Ghana ha no de no moye. Yese kobo besia. Never buy a man here and it's all to me. No, very simple. And to me, mammy, and yes, you will be seen Uncle Bob. Now, for where you want to be fine. And to dinner, Muye. I didn't Muye. Babo Bessia, so to be fine. What you say? Say, oh, your president, Nessa Bibia. Oh, your president, Nessa Bibia. Yes, sir. 1. Omo mine mono. What you say? They say your father say rent. A cutty across. We can say, Ebia, even me say, okay, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. We can classify the communities like Legon, or East Legon will be one class. Malam, Mbawe, whatever. What you say? We are. We say, okay, A class for them. Yeah, renting house. Ebia single room. 100 Ghana. Class B. Yeah, renting 50 Ghana. It cut across. What do you say? Yes, oh my. Someone come on into oh my. Debia ya tuniumem. Kaka so Maya. Yes, Debia ya tuniumem. Omaya yes, sorry dying. Debia intimation na mana ye. Debia dollar is rising. And the fool ye to be into. Ye tofuola. Na odi weni share gauge no o drive here. Instead of you to concentrate meba. O concentrate na o share gauge no because o ya show not. Na utie. Omaya mobo. Ye ba pon ka say ye tisika so na so come dey here. Ye nim say na mahama eye no na enyo. But ne nim say enkoba ye no more. But oba ye never na say. What you say? Twade we yo. Otu omayi mu. Wo say o wana wo see o. Ye yanka say ye be see asore dan Nyankopon. What I say? O se Nyankopon ebo. Say wo be see edan Nyankopon. For abotom skasi. Ada say do pay be see. Wo be ton wo japade ni na enfo ye ho. But ye won say ebo a wo be hye no. E say udi so. Chire wakore na ma. Wakore na ma. Mayanka so ni wie. Yenya wia. Oh my, oba ya o say you contribute 100 Ghana cedis every month. One can say oh contribute 100 Ghana every month. Akronfu opa ni hey
Madam Mekasa mi oba pin for na no kan esi polyclinic ye bo mi su afom mpato mpese mi asa ba umi aye de bo ni su afom mi ya adwuma man ti atime tax 100 Ghana tisa na do so nto hospital ba de maya na so a onja tax ya kwa be so student mattress ye mistake yo abana ba umi awo yire wo yire bia na me so mi ba be wo nti mi nwu o kan esi polyclinic abra mi kunu ya ba adwuma atime tax abra mi ya bia atime tax mi ya pin for ya bo mi su afom ba ni me na mi ya ye mi ya Ghana ni madam we bi pese mi bisa Ghana abai ne se wo bi ti wiase na wono de ye ni pass message se onu de we nipa na ye ya ka no ye de ye nipa de ene edu ho no ma nipa na akofo do yi ni se we nipa no enu onu meto aba ma no enu se ye na ye da bonti tontosi no ye ni abai ka wo ye ntosi na ye ton ye de atu akofo do ka akofo do yi no odi pe ni ntosi na ye ton no azu ye tontosi akofo do yele Emma tontos yɛrɛ maayewa ne tontos ne yɛde tu akofo ado yɛleka si tontos na akofo ado timi soma obi sɛ betu maa ne fili kwan ho anaso ɔmɛde taxi dia abula wa akofo ado mla yɛ aduane ne dia ɛne na de akofo ado ba bi wɔ biala wɔmla efisa na de yɛne ne mienu ado ɛna sa dia akofo ado wa akofo ado wo me so me wo me nyema adan hwemafu aka 2 months na ma wo me yale kwada hospital ya di moja sim so no pass 6 o'clock ebo 12 na yeyime ka kire me sai obi beda so because of misikasha enti emu obi o eskani aba beda so ya di enya nipa e funu na ewu akofo ado enya bi na me be wo eba no wo akofo ado enya bi na me ba ado ebi na mba ado enti se wo akofo ado so wo ye nipa che ye de a enya fi na ekro ye demonstration ebi sa me no me ma wo President Bia Bagana ha. No one had no say Sikanti no one had it's Yantiasi.
I'm a for Fisa Bia for the one time. And now for the one. Omama Omatman Yedi Pem because now to me Radibi social media have a pa say Obiko to Galanse. Now chain one year but then in Comona Ubuntu. Bauchi Tanania, what you say, the way a year. I would know. Nditana nini ni pata yana ye etie mamu ze galanse no because nipa wo adwuma won ko galanse ho ye fam wo school dem wo chade no om ko galanse nurse fam wo hospital mo ye adwuma no om ko galanse na obi obi a obi ho se ko pepe kakra bedi na wo jira obontuo ba te ye won ko fo machine mo shi wo no timamfo machine se so mo ba ye wo alankase ne ko fo machine se gu wa no mo ye go bonte aye so mo na ense no ba ye ko pepe bedi no om ku yen about saying, what I say, Mabo, nurse in our Oji Aqualanquano, Utu get you out in 4%. Who not do what to one year tree? When you be out, until I be, until the bay, car with the mood them free. What to get them 17%? Make them ampy. What over here? Ampy, Obaya, when you for pink of Emma Boho. Should be any home. And so, Yamoka, Yamoka scan, is $28,000. Watch it. Abra Swiniho, Abra Kakweniho, Abra Marty, Gas and Resident Muruja. Not your question by into a man or moving a man. The bedroom from Piota. Who shall marry pa? One of the titles who are 1 year to cry so. There's also Piota and Crown, one to what more per man, only Naya, we are. Chaco to Magic, or better at time, Mepon. Yes, I buy pie, Yenabre pa. Other three maso, Piata Crater, Piata, ticket 1 city. Maybe I would do 1 city. Piata 2 city. Now to take it to 1 city. Eh? Usha, or my Benny, you me. Come and come and no never Bununia. I go show him. You wish it. It is Asavani. Whom you are going to baby. I'm not going to be out on Yajimo tax. Take it to 1 city. Take it. Says 15 cities. 1 child. Drink and your tower and young first. You better blog was sad. They say, oh, man, my idea. Ye who sack but I can talk across and so glad my many new Albertons. Yes, Yana, I didn't take it. See 1 chair, ya Padani Norma, Amakarana Tobana, ye beside a papa choke. I can Paladianco, take it in calm way. I come on, ya me and chat and Quala on your 18 years, take it. And we said, now for Bianco to swallow. So I need Bilitina, Sabita Fragile one Cobocrono, or about Everton, so take it up like it's on your 18 years. One time I go back on and say, Sabi over tons was swat. Any part almost yam so swat. Ya betty take it where Colana and Ya, Colani Su, up to be patch up. What the no one has one, Colani Su. It's yes, Rabbi, Yapana chop. Ya Roman tons as if for Swan so. That's the so, yes, Rana, that's no, on to so way. 15 city drink is a say, and Yan for so, yan yabi. It's yes, Rabbi Pa. Oh boy, there's all children in my shade. Let's say money and ready, yeah, but Yamma is yeah, but we say a Juman. Of Juman, of Juman, Layasana, oh, we are mobile. Let's say a Juman.
Wase mi sa so wa ma aban pa to dwa.
Me ma se musa ne se ye ma me no me ya papa no ma o ma ntimi anko school no. Ade na aban ba ko na aban baba ade be na o so ode ma o se ebe bo o so o de o ma anko school nti o so adwuma ni. E se ade bia na o bra se ye na o ma ko school no e na o ma ye den o ma adwuma ye. Nti mi busa se o de o be do sa o do so a ekwan yom de kokko fa aduane ne kura bo abakuro mu no enye yanhwe ekwan a omofa kofa aduane no obekọ ne kwan na se na aduane na kangurom na apro na je se akufo do ba ya na aka se ombedo aduane no ekwan be na de kokko se aduane na ba na MPs fo na yeto aba ma o ma edura ba to anoma be na mo yeto ma o mu wi a na o ma aduane no ani yebuso am se meme wa askwa me firi kuma se na ba me wa askwa me ti Kuwait atonso Kuwait mama part wanya hwe ye kwan omu se abato abana na obegu ba bi on pa wan gwa wi hu amna da ho a wajai o ma ye drinks na wi nsuo to a na nsuo na yi drinks na sia na atwe anwea na ye diska akoto no nyina ere akọ agisi ya sa diska kofro akoto anwea sa ni nyina ba o ma ne aka enti aka kire o anya pipi ni ndisi when ndisi front so o ma ansere na ye nyama ndisi for ye for Ghana sani ekuro bi so o mu feel park gami na se yan dia o ma ye o mu kuro anu ya black mayo ba nyansa ana odi kichini kuro ba Ghana nyansa na kodi ba bia ma ye hu nyansa so faso tumi na kodi ba bi nti ye hu nyansa fo faso ye se fight corruption ba bribe mu obi aba de opa bia na ye eti aka kire o mo and this MPP o mo fix o man no na ma se
Ani adun chele da do.
Me person bi sa ba ni se pacho 100 si no o si entua every month bia na fancy cathedral no pacho ye si cathedral no wi a collection na ye beto asori inside no ye de betua o say aha mi bi sa o be chama Ghana for na say ye di ma asofo ni akufo do na say ma bi bisa no no
na we de wasam de modu
yo mi pacho mi tun krama akufo do da mi krama di ma no say oh lonely February ding say ye tia na asam tu yan wo e kura ye fi ye ska nko lo fa be ko obi be frɛ o ebusan be frɛ o krom unya ska nko edu ye be ba unya ska nko na akufo do ba na ye brɛ so ye ye afro ba ye hu ano afro le sraw bua ye na ye brɛwai ye nimu pa antu bua ye na bi dan ye na akufo do ye brɛwo ye sraw ma ma no njoma ye niska ye hu tiri ye akufo do ye nye de be di o ye nye de be di
mo ma me cha mo ni na mo ma me cha and this MPP chom se
nti ya sene na akufo do say on hwe yen na o enyin nti ya ka say oba ya hu tiri yen dodo on hwe yen ya hu tiri yen on hwe yen ya hu tiri yen mani bisa yo mpa cho ya hu tiri yen oh mi so bi wi men tuma yes kan ko no be dan hwe no uni ska be den oh ye bre na akufo do we pan ni on be say on we nyin no debi on we nyin mfra yenum nyansa na pen for de o mo sua ni nanom na akufo do ba hwe na say mfra ni chen e psraw mu ye mo ba akufo do yes sraw wa akufo do na me pa chow why
yo mami that tell say first net dem akufo do better so no last 4 years na nye scat etimi ye na this year there aban no omboaye amaye na yetiti fie first pro na nya kaya bi ye sisi a nipa na afa kaya no onye scampo na oda be fa kaya na sisi a Ghana yeto aba ana ye anase anto aba ena ye nti oman ni de me patro be ni a onye ni ye so onye ni ye so a onka ya so nti e wo Ghana misimi kasa mu oman na Abuja for mu a mu hwe mu ni pa be di pe ena kasa e da na me ase e ma botem mo bibia ye demonstration no enkoye e ma no fight bia me da ase
yo na do dan kwa kufa do nko for monse mo de ba betu dia dani o esu amusu ni na enie ni na ne sana na mo se anya politics nti no mo ha na mo hia se be ye de oman no betimi etumpo eno ani mo ha mo pese oman no etumi tumpo nti asem mo de me nko fa ne personal bi e ma me ya ho na amafo no mo ho echi na omu dina na do dan kwa kufa de nani mu ni din so no mo di tumampo ne no mo me fa sa asem mo anya personal because oman ye here ayeye ma wo ayeye ma me ayeye ma ye ni na nti ye ni na we die sa personal things na mo from na mo di kunkum from where there I'm a may not return home alive.
We may not return from this demo. We want our mother to remember that when we die, we died for the betterment
of the next generation.
We are ready. Our forefathers that shed blood in this country, they are not stupid. So when we die today, we are okay. So we want our mother to remember when we die today, it is because of the betterment of the head of the next generation. Our leaders have turned everything upside down. Education system has turned upside down. No jobs in the country. We are not living on a good road. Why are you telling us that we should contribute 1 million? For what? Cathedral. The Bible says that the hand that does not work should eat. Where are we going to get the 1 million from? Mr. President, we are begging you. You came and you convinced us that Yatisikazo is a comedy. The Sikana Ayana, say, oh, dear, yes, sir, fix the road, fix the education system. First country to gain independence in West Africa. Look at our system. Look at our system. What is happening in our system? This thing is not fair, my sister. This thing is not fair. We thank you. We thank you, my sister. Say something, my brother.
But we need a new constitution. The president, the appointing authority of the president is just too much. How can the president appoint EC chair to superintend over election in which the president himself is contesting? How? How can the president appoint IGP and expect the IGP to be neutral? How? We need a new constitution now. That constitution was made to please J.J. Rawlings. He is dead, so down with the constitution. We don't need it. We need a new constitution. Not even a review. A new constitution.
How can you
now?
give teachers 4% of increment, then you 79%? What is happening? Somebody who is rendering services to the public, you are giving that person 4% of increment. This is wickedness. This is what? Madness. Our president, we are begging you, come again and change it. Because Sankofa, Ewa Kankasem, yesterday, Yenchi, Etubabaka, Yabawe Kamo, Yapasa, who fixed this country. We were very interested. We were very much. We believe in you that you can help this country. What is happening? What is happening? President Nana Akufo-Addo, what is happening? We beg you, remember that we voted for you. Your time will expire. So if you don't leave any good legacy, we will still talk against you.
We
want
job.
We want job. We want job. We want job. We want job. We want job. We want job. We want job. No. We want job. 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 We want job.
From Circle to Accra demonstration here, there is no one that's been on the road.
Okay.
Have you seen Circle to demonstration?
No one that's been from the government.
To Supreme Court. There is no one single dustbin. There is no one single dustbin. That if you are holding a rubbish, you will put in it. There is no one single dustbin. What a country is this? What a country is this? But our leaders, when they go to Europe, they'll be seeing dustbin on the road like 5 minutes, 10 minutes ahead of you. You will see a dustbin. If maybe you are holding up, every 1 minute, dustbin is passing. Every 1 minute, dustbin is passing. But here, every 3 hours, 4 hours, no dustbin. What's that? What's that?
Killing of online drivers. The online drivers
have increased your salary 10%. Workers' salary 4 good percent. What's that? They will go and borrow money, then they will sit down table, then they will share the money among themselves. After that, they will not use the money to even put a factory or anything for us. They will open bank foreign accounts, then put the money into the foreign account. Then the money that they went to borrow, it will go back to where it came from, to the Europeans. When they die, then the money remains there. Where to put this? What all this? We are all Ghanaians. You see, we are all Ghanaians. You cannot increase the salary 10%, then give us 4%. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. You see, that is why we are demonstrating government. It's not to MPPO, to government. NDC, MPP. We are dead for them. We are dead for them.
We want factory, not cathedral. We want factory,
NDC, MPP.
not cathedral.
No cathedral.
fix the country. Companies, we need companies. What I say, work. You sorry. I'm sorry, Abu Ghana. Send it to me. Send it to me. Sorry, Abu. Madam, send it to me. So what I say, you go so that Bible classy or you move that what I say. What in the temple of God? And there is no need for us. You go build your sorry. I didn't talk on Cassie. Never go who rose. Lack of hospital beds. Lack of oxygen. You need oxygen. Akwala me say and akwala da konya say adai. Bra, adai. What that bia go kwai pai wo. Nsuo to a na ba bia ahiri. Mo nya no. Mo nya no.
Ya chimyo. Ya de me ko ebusi afọ ya de me ko mo hwe dibre no. Adas, ya ma me so basa. Mama, no there. Then na ba ha. Fix the candidate now do one shame sama.
Saman.
Mama kasa yeti o. Yeah, we dey mama so kasa. Nani abre. Ne rawo. Yeah, ne rawo. Ya mama rawo so kasa. Ya mama rawo. Anka we ne uhwe ne se na wa ya atna we dey. We dey Ghana dey mama dey.
75 were mami penimu e ba demonstration. Or someone a triban and in Nanamu and Yasa Bebasa. And then we know about that kind of way spam no good best. Who got beans are 3 cities, Coco to Bumi. Yeah, Eji and be an AI. Be an AI in the BIA cities. Says Bewomo. I'm macro for a 2 1 in yes, Reno, office country. So Timia, I can yes, Reno, 1 year bonnie. You married 3 months or 1 letter. Nayan can, oh, meet me, no, this one about Nana Chili back, one I found Baumiano, you better bet in the castle of my way. Because we all respect idea, Usuchi dollar, Gina. Who the dollar no free Riyadh? Who the dollar free Oman? Who the dollar free Dubai? Eh, Baganda, sign maybe the Abu Maria Hotel. I want to Shashi, until the America. My mom just until I saw Bano. Oh, yeah, until I have a few Ghana. And I had a Washington. We were money, no. Until we fight some of me in Bano. Until I saw me, Ultimia, Ultimata. The man 3 months and 90 days. On the baby entry because a party has a man of respect. So 3 months, Rusula one can be there by me. And now Colano to so move national scripts in these forces. I'm just sad here. No, I'm my need respect my police and soldier. Because Minister Police and soldier, I'm not fair. Couple of Miss Romo now, where's you come? I just know what Bano. So can the rose I think I'll be taking. No can say, Sandy Crawford video with a come out. Oh, yeah, to never go. Going to be practicing. Every Oman, Saudi, and Dubai, maybe you are saying, yes, Swama, you buy no more. Shaman Penny, 75 years, woman, or better, was saying. Maybe on a Namu door, the depot. Yes, you want to return me flats. Bibia system na yewi yes reno na sa im kolano mudi am ko di fo wo e bring one ye na betra ko di fo ni bi ye pe mo sa im kolano ba sa go am na sa script for no ye ni mo video no ko mo ni mo say akwaro we Guinness man de ka ye from a Guinness man wala jo misa wa ma sama di yes rom e boko to mo tronko no mo bi wo maka sa wie di maka
busi afọ adun try there. Adoso, I didn't know some more press or minor. Everything I am a mere 75 years. Remember, I said, dear, Pana, no so call you, I didn't know pray. So mine is an animal cost of my what? Into the answer also press and command me. Can't champ. Then the monk, and when you are proud to be evident, then I know to bet me. Me
pacha, me call virus Bako. Now the term be me car. I'm said you're not there. Asa. I'm a to boss vaccine. Well, me kawa no. Martin Muton. Ever pin by this time, someone second will make up Adabaka Polyclinic. Come catch and say, you don't know there. Asa. Me one spare. Once now me why no. Me one card in there.
misadi kwa amka jam say do na de asa anu pokwa ensan to aso bebi anu first yete no oma be bubu obasa sisa me awo mitum kan me ni mi krom sisa enfa na me nko me nya Ghana ni metu aba no so ye den e di ma aban so aban sisa de no de ye den efemu sisa ye nya Ghana fo nkaman de aso nti se Ghana fo so aman se sisa pa obeye bibia de e di amaye nti e dana se
yo 2 years they intro exams wo Ghana ono ya the most present 2 years about school oh ya intro exams wo Ghana who there who we are checking ko alajo 1 and 2 kotobabi who there mi boss school kotobabi K15 K3 K4 ko ho ko bisa se bisa se exams akwa yi na school no see no school dey call no 2 times and 3 times that yes re krono ankola no ye tuo ni niama no enye so mu na masu a o system no work system na ya slow no na tuo no di mom for the voting day no anko wie ye no onje tuo no 1G no uniform de kitomu omu wa su na ya mu nam highway no su no nti so pese no a langas for no omkota to mu use boys no ba no on sam prekola no mu ko because your papa penimo and I will see you would the langas for your jumano yensai ko fe la bra president penimo ba wo deceive you no nti what you and draw nti your papa penimo 77 years it is so sense no na your juma ti sense o manembra na moto for no kwa shedo do system na your rob o hwe dey see okaneshi ya wi afo so ni niyama no system no ya good aka ya wi ano aka mbe wo signal inti sa road no CCTV camera no o mche dan no a o de video no asi aye hu ye passe mo na yakọ na attract mi wala ajo na yakobo wala ajo se bibi se asi wo no this time na a week inti yesre no so no no de 71 aba say amano 3 months wamba ye be tro 72 ye akasa ye de ye be say ni ama wo mai we mu ye akasa ye be
ni sika ana edi asiasi enyama no it is all say abeta
kada yesi adia bebi ayese be ko ye be ko ho bebi ayese be ko ye adwuma ye be ko ye adwuma wo ho mimi na mu na me do tema moto wi ameko ho na maka se ba chotu omo ma miskanu because step no nye because ko obi krom a na uji $600 na uba wo krom a na ya koma $4 million na any $600 no difference in him nti yes rom omo ye papa fu no nti saju na ya week a omo kan se o aduna ya week nti misra no say this bad small boy no any vice president ye person on trouble the man nonka because no the concept nko because kan so be so dollar no mama e nti ya fro man no ye ban dollar no ye di ba ye calculate ye ban on so mu ye 6.6 no at dosu uko Saudi Arabia ukota 3.70 a wanya $100 na udi ba se nyama look at sense coin pot ko twe crofo etu kwa eko crofo be sa wo ma no te esro mu na corona virus test no kada so ye fake omu ya crofo Midra Ave Maria hotel mi room number 222 ya very frank ya no me some ko check aya fake Sikana mitua wo ina misaba kwalanta you say how many days 14 days yeah that one 13 days into one day no sikana ifa look at sense
no pasa kasana we you know free mo e bu jare e bu say da mo come
Ghana for company for say mo anya kwase asem ne bayi sem na wo hu ekwan ya de mo be fa so no first of all etwedie enkoladie adwenboni ni bayiye na Ghana for company for di ade Akufo-Addo woye sakawani woye mafia ena ada wodi bedi o mahi so no wa Ghana for ye were afi mu woye sakawani sa ye mafia oni ni ministers ni na
anu ko hu wan
na se wo hwe se de wetima be dada obi odada obi bia sakawani ana mi unim so yo obi a won kan ko na ade na ada ade fro obi wa woye sakawani anu na mahama kan ye na wanchi no ye woye flood wasaye ni pa wasaye bayifo Ghana for company for ya bayifo Dabi anoye so my so ye bebre ene petro entiminto ene enkrako school asai ene obi ewale kwampo na ekwan ya onam so behwe ne yire ne bakwa problem ye mpani fo yale no madu obete so mo ko hospital or quite no time young Gaby and hope to say, no, the Chaquavino. Now, maybe 2 hours coming. That was it. But from side, now someone I'm feeling my bar. Freedom, someone I made you do. Madam, Ghana, dear, or man, you're fixed, Nagasa. When you're fixed with small letters, with capital letters, you're break papa. Because Mikai, Ono, on my penny, I go for the catch the Ghana for say. We are getting in this own here, the crew. So you discuss, and I come in at the end. And like I said, discuss, so you have bread. And see 2 months on no bar or beg Ghana here. By no man who say, on drink Ghana for. And in back, and not draw in the bush for. Near the gates and make us any say. So to a get your more, or so drink or more from no marriage more was in. A bit said teachers, a bit say, police for, a bit say fire service, and no more make a now to move also 4%. Now the at the 71 cover with who did more than 80% of Ghanaian money. On my penny, when you agreement on Ghana for Juma, my Juma na bread on the promise to queer too much. On the president queer, and I'm selfish. I'm telling you, NPP and DC, God will surely punish you one day. Thank you.
Let us say, a friend as Yaga Francis Eki Okoto. Yeah. Me a driver at the station here. Oh, the high is on. And then demonstration I have ban. I heard the pass say, yeah, you to near T and was say, Ghana, no, I say, say, yeah, Yam Pejaya Humia, Ghana, the politicians depend on what you pay. But I said, no, I say, yeah, Ghana, you go, Sabi. Akufado ni dokuna abin mosquito ni dokuna ya abin so what you say entino say jam me jam fire nye di omo pe a omo de be kwase adwuma saa one wa akufado o se o ba o ndiga ne ska me bo a enne opepe ama ne yire me bo a aga ya no anya di aga oji pe ama ne yire one Batman the friend say opepe ama ne yire enne police ni gina wiem soldier ni gina wiem onu na onu branu boya ntani yiri ka ntani kunu ka wa o yiri da condition mu obo bi driving or body uno pepe ama o yiri nti media ka kranti ami ba demonstration is anti petrol so anti ni ama so mai ka krana hu hi no tia police so si ni yiri jipe a police ni bia yiri jipe soldier ni bia yiri jipe omukunu no zo jipe amida ase
yo akota nso be na free me.
Oh, me go for the NCO.
Yo, você é forma hoje. Nia kwasi de ni brankwa ana mafo ade etu eye dwani na so me press na nado na nkofado. Obetie omusufre na nka waboa ama oman no etimi edu eye mpempe so se edu. Se na otimi tu kwan efi ham se akwa abrochi amonono se na hoya fe otimi ka se hoya fe saa so na otimi ye Ghana yie so betimi ayeye ama eye ono ankasa eye so be ye ama obi ani generation so ebe come out for mugusu any eshi abra ye di eye ye freedom fighters ne echi akwa eye independence square.
Hello. Hello. Ekufadu. your child and your children will be tired, then help the help people, help the Ejanka, Ewusia, help everybody. Everybody, help them. Today be 2022. 2021. Sorry. She's tired. She tell me my mother is dead, my father is dead. My senior brothers take me come here and me suffer. Everybody, help to everybody, somebody. They tired too much. My father be angry at a mess. She leave me, I'm only person. One girl, one boy. They help everybody. Thank you.
I'm a semi mental brofon, you're not a brofo. It's a brofo, not the answer on more than Monsampa. You're good to the edge. I had. You're good to the edge.
No more MPP. It's about Ghana. It's about Ghana. No MPP, no NDC. No MPP, no NDC. No MPP, no NDC. No MPP, no NDC. We are fighting for Ghanaian people. President, for help us. You are poor president.
Monitia. You go to ADH. Amount for actual madrid. Yeah, fix the country. Freedom fighters. And they go to there. Yeah, Omochi. Yeah, the Omochi. But the Omochi are going to make a few our independence. And they go to Agos. Where the money so I move to action. Every 1 minute to be near Johnny William. Every 1 minute to be you go toilet William. You to me high plane. Near go toilet one. Ghana for your war. Yet you see below. Anthony yes is about international. Near Kwame Nkrumah yes one. Mungo yes ya baby ponda. Yet to me Jadaika. Every 1 minute to be Nejimi and Musa. Sawa. Nana do visit the country. Ujalu will play with the country. Nana do visit the country. Ujalu will play with the country. Nana do visit the country. Yeah blow. Nana do yeah boy. Everybody yes why? Buy a bang my team a sugar. I buy a full of higher chili. My so I now say this to my $2 I have 2 o'clock 2 a.m. now by a quarter my 2 o'clock 2 a.m. almost me and Tawad young CMB I am Makani Nipa Pemoso Nasi Ababa Patchy Kakrani Benya Kakrani and Ma Adidia more Pamuyansu Ebraya Baba to Abano a Juana Mubaya no more Baba ID card numbers I see a walk to Abba and Mamu ya 2 Abanamo where we are fed almost why a quaho I'm a person people Ghana clean and yes regional minister and Nanado and the Bawumia I'm sending Amushaya Bossa Muba no Abayeno I'm managing Sama and a Ghana Maya Bra Yania Jumafu Frobia I'm on Shaya Baswaya who ever wait. Yabakwa kwa shawo na sienya yaria de baba saiga na meme nyina mamu nyina na na do wan hye djuma wodi ye no
your politicians no wo mo yire omoma e yaria Ghana hospital so no e hoya omo fo omo nko mo de mo yire no mo mama no yaria no mo do ma to play mo na mo do mo ko abrochire ni e to so bio Ghana politicians no obi anu su salunka me peso obi e be use 4x4 so you see saloon car na so na kwan na se kwan nya wo be ye kwan no thank you
yes we man
please pay back our money
yes we man boss abire won ja adware no do we 600 no constitution na mu dati parliament wa mu jimi no Almost a constitution, I need to say president to know. I didn't need to water. Constitution so that parliamentary form to also almost pay. I don't know what person I look at. When you get no pay. Omunjani na to cathedral president of pass Oliver no pay cathedral. What get as well I want to know cathedral. Obi a what draw cathedral no ye. Obi a what ye no draw cathedral me na go so nyame. Yes president. What's up president na what's up president. The president and yes, look with me, we are so poor. The human who is no much. I feel the minister who would have guessed. Oh, my dear, guessing you now. Yes, no, yes, that will man. Yes, that will man. What's up, one gas? One gas, and no one covers. Many other tell you how you're chosen. Who couldn't go to my what Mosika said? Yes, that will man. Yes, that will man. One gas. Constitution almost is up. Omunjanda, no munjaga. Madam, we never know some American Kufado. The second of going and can't deal with. And I have to do that. I say, I'm going to school. Yes, and I do to fix the country right now. The youth are angry. The next time that will come, will not be like this. Leonardo, we need the country to be faced right now because the youth are suffering and transportation is killing us. We are hungry here in Accra. No jobs, no water, no everything. Electricity. Every day, laptop every day. Why Leonardo? Why do you want us to die?
Madam Utie, Leonardo Yentano. Oba ya no ba yo bu ya ne to abama. Sanwuchira na ba yo bi na baka yem sanwuchira bo. Sami si ko dwom. Sami to ade sami. It's on the interest obi anasa jomo ama na si be demonstration. Dama mo to de ni ma video. Mi akasa be ba makata. Eduane na me to no. Mi akasa kasa me bra sere be yi. Eti Leonardo ni Yentano, eti yesi. Si omana. Ene jira wo bu fu ye. Woni yeso ankasa. Oya ka je say ye discuss on comedy ye mama buwa ye. Ene ti yeso etu abama o. Eti wo so buwa ye keke. Ya kuru ni mu ko eduma. Omunya bi mura. Ya ka se be say ye. Kesi ene ti enye skafu. Kakra bi e kuru ni be ma ye yeso e ko market e be ye le na mo ye. What I say, wo ye nyame na wa hwe ye. But mo ma ni mo ye da enjo ma ye. Ye kunu kwa yesu ye omu kwa omunya bi mura ye. Yesu ye bia yesu enya bi hwe ye nkwala. Ye ntime no challenge. Esa oba ye no. Wo ka no kwa na ye dai. Anchira ye. Esa na esa wo ye pedi no bone. Wo o ma na mo ye di. Sa wo nim so ma na mo ye di. O ma na mo ye di papa madam. E mo ye di. Aka bi mi jira ye dai. O ma na mo ye di mi kita kwala afo. Ada e mo ye di. Me kunu kwa obeti sa onya hwe. Me si mi kwa makata me nya hwe. Me te imagine somebody now with them and na me see me jaya warrior be ma de na obe kumi but only me say wo kire na ye na aba me see ye de bi twane eti na lado office o ma ne ye de e ma ye Akufado and I salute you everywhere you go we dey beg you please Akufado we say we can do it that be why we vote for you Akufado we need your help fix the country for we. The youth we are suffering too much, Akufado. Look at me. No job. Why, Akufado? We dey beg you, leader of country. Do something for we. We need your help. Fix the country. We don't want to travel to US to go and make money. We want to stay in Ghana and make money. Open job. We need job. We got 200 jobs. Oh. We need job where we can survive. We can marry. We can marry. Where we can build. We can live good life, Akufado. We need your help. Please, help me. What do we say for Shaya? Wow, Edru maybe say anamudi ye atu ye ma ya hwe ye kakra ɛwɔ hɔ nom ayi sɛ wɔbɛpie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ amusɛ demonstration ni mu a ɛyɛ na nipa bɔnifoɔ bi nso de ɔmo ho agye mu nti sɛ wɔhwɛ yɛ a woba baabi no mu sɛ yɛ a ɛyɛ na ɔde yie ato yie ayi nose mask wahyɛ na ɔde abɔ ɔmo ban sɛnea anya corona na ɛwɔ kurom a ɛtumi anka wo because amanfoɔ aka sɛ nkyɛnso efiri amanfoɔ enum ɛnyɛ nkyɛnso ketewa ndi ɛka wɔ enum a wɔnhwɛ yɛ a woso anya bi nti na ɔde ɛyɛ nose mask na abɔ ɔmo ban ewie akyire no nso ayɛ na ɔbɔ mmɔden na wɔahwɛ ɔmo so yie because nipa bɔnifoɔ nso de ɔmo agye mu ɛndeɛ ɔnam bɔ sɛ na amanfoɔ ahwɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛ woyɛ mistake abɔ no na ɛyɛ wo sika anaasɛ wofo wɔn yɛsan so atwe nti wonam a na wɔyɛ ahyɛ yɛ kakra yɛmpɛ sɛ tumaji ɛkyɛ bɛwie akyire ne abɛka sɛ wonam mokɔtwaa yɛ o ɛnde obi wie before ɔmahu anaa yɛtwa mba anadaabi dabi yɛmpɛ ne saa nti momboaboa mo ho monyɛ ahwɛ yie wɔ hɔ na obi awia mo wowie nso ɛne nose mask mo asan so de abɔ mo ho ban ne nyinaa bɛboa ma ɔman no so yɛmpɛ sɛ wɔn nyinaa bɛkɔ awie ne na afei amanfoɔ awu adɛn a korɔ yɛmpɛ ne saa ntɛndɛ monyɛ ahwɛ yie wɔ motofoɔ no so na ɛba no ɛwɔ de obiara de ne ho agye mu bi motofoɔ nso na ɛba no anibere so ana yɛde nam no wɔn mo hwɛ a obiara de ne ho bi obiara de ne ho agye mu bi motofoɔ nso na ɛba no motofoɔ nso na ɛba no motofoɔ nso na ɛba no wɔn mo hwɛ anibere so ana obiara de ne dwuma anibere so ɛne obiara wɔ mu bi ɛma akɔ atwi moto ɔbaa pemfo na ɔtwi moto no awurade adeɛ ɛfɛ saa de no aka obiara wohwɛ ɔman no obiara de ne ho agye mu bi obiara bɛbɛte aseɛ sɛ sɛ ɔmanfa mo ho agye mu bi a ɛne ɔman no sɛ ɛsi ne ti ase a bɛka yɛ nyinaa sɛ yɛyie nso bɛka yɛ nyinaa ɛbutu bɛka yɛ nyinaa nti na manfo no na ɛde ɔmo ho agye ɛnante no mu bi wɔde fix the country ɛho healthy work Mr. Megan healthy work was also there and face the country work I ain't there to do face the country work freedom fighters for na mo show mo se see omo be any breso o share yesi any brewo ho and soldier and social mo for the new brewo and a new constitution and many of them ready how didn't know what they
my tree is not that good. We just, oh God, my tree is not that good. But I just want the government to set up, the citizens to set up. We should all do our part in fixing this country, because this is what we have. This is where we live. This is all that we got. If we don't fix it, who is going to fix it for us? There's healthcare, unemployment, just so much going on. That means this is without politics, just strictly fix the nation.
This is a former sharing. I prefer sending in a degree, so I prefer to be in and some press or minor. Let me affect let me a doom and so I can afford it now. I shall do. Send a Dubai to me and soon again at me. Hey, you know, a cigar or dog, and I had I never understand no among Casa and Kanya de Anka, a woman penny, no more to me at it. Let me and yes, I see it. The old man has said, the young swan, yes, the amount penny, and then I told you, then one is up. I am less than president. Otiagana for to friend, Otiagana for Casa, it's again for to friend now. Or better, and then I obey sad enough. Eddie Nazawan, Yandy, and I'm gonna follow who say, yea. I'm a very another don't work for the son of working in the nest and a correpa. I don't follow Kutun in a macra, I Independence Square. Freedom fighters for face the country call for and another day no more and until you have a PMO our Independence Square. Some of is your money in our Independence Square and the back of PMO our and never go be I want to who goes to any age. I buy Obia nene how omo how munum so munya kwant mi kasa ni nyina omo tro omo how no ato mo ba na so anampo se dua so na ma beja so ene ohun na ohun ne ha ni na e ka ene 100 Ghana cedis for mo how dey wo mu omo problem with the 100 Ghana cedis and another dan kwa kufa dey bisa some fancy cathedral no omo dia awo mu ebi mo say stop making foreigners look down on Ghana and also awo mu fix Ghana now ni na awo mu justice for kaka ma ko gusu kai kaka ma cho no say be si mo ejura no omo nyina egusu esu say na another dan kwa kufa ado obe mo justice ama egusu afọ a new constitution for the people now, and also the court articles to plunder the state. No article give poor man bread. And also somebody there and also and the more also so I said factories are more memu. No say one factory one dam was at the end. Sunday when you ana factories awa memu no na na do dan kwa kufu ado wu fo wani ho na wu tie tie ta factory na sa factory na ejuma na mo se wanda mo factory o se de ni na su se ke ni wa ade na wu fa sa ka na other factories na ka wu fe sie na ka embo amano anu ti amma for nyama ma chocho awo mo ba na su se we need new factories ya mo su so mo ka se o and fix Akosomo Texas factory now. Every month say and the tomatoes factory yeah fix it and the factories are wood only in Akoso. Our mama they want my yes dada. And they want to my yet to be and there's no longer operating. Ni na na do dan kwa kupado. Am fix here no njai say. Odini sika a share new factories manya na baba. So odini sika a share factories are wood any Nasa factories now 100 ano. Etimi operate here. Ni na betimi ebie kwan. Ama fufuro nso anya adwuma. Ano na hunya. Na akwa si factory fufuro de na sika fufuro na ade kwa start ni nyina. Ade na bi wo ho. Na machines kaka na asai. Ana afa sika acha sa machines mu. Etimi anya de. Etimi bie kwan ama fufuro nso nya adwuma no. Ene Ghana fo nyina. Esu. Esu ni de adoso pa eyi de ko. Na akwaso edi report ni nyina. Ade de ba be so mo. I'm saying, Accra na was a CA, Accra, and their way, yeah, every hand say no money, but Aqua, Independence Square, on a Cassidy. Yeah. Yo, Medasibe. I mean, so they have me, and they say, police volunteers have put the photo. Almost me, Monte Barrier, our Monyashi, Moto Quan or Mochiche. Yet me chimoto bese 70 and 80. Ni akoti OBS ka 1 million. Ya jis kan wi ani asan jamo. The following day ni asan chibiem. Nje bese aban no so hu ye mobo. Say ya so kada na no ana ye dididi. Ye tumi go ba kron no. Ya se empe adwuma ne yenye. Ana ye de ye wan ko shoka dem ne ye. Papa mbacho samoji a denti ana ya moji moto no. Abude atani enti a denti anam so moto di moto na maka hwe modo. First no, a mo sha bese 4 months ago no. And then Omochiwa, Omibisause, Ulances, when roadway to insurance, when what the Chirepe near Jawan our cop. One good debonair, but they say no, Omu good at roadway to Omu and shore, Bibia good to be our metro. Alliances, roadway to yes, Omacho. In Jomania, 60, 70, no matter selling in Aqua Central. No one could tell 1 million and the amount. Nti bese sa na de nete nti ane me ha kase pa ha ye enya me ha ye nyina nkrofo nim so bi omo dubi nka because the omo ya no enya right yesa mo ba bo ye ho bai na nya sa bo ba be bo ye bo o de par kuta bibia check na ja na nko wasan jiniska na wa jama no o china police fofo hu na wasan che no more than 3 months ni ejuma mo ya no no especially tudu say am right to this say o meche me and then mo ya fake the country to month oh say na dey o mo say baby cause but fit o china ko no anya fine yo papa that's we there papa ne dey so abetu jani ni na say motor foi a police for ma wa mu and then o mo ko pia mu na ehu o mo pe ukura license ukura bibia kwa eche kwa wasa so age moto na efu sem obi bi aye correct in area ne asan so ade moto na nka menim say na eze no mo jiji moto ne so member bra ya kro no bo asenso ne de hwe ne akwaso ai papa bi super so no so e ka sento ne na de ntwa ba mi ani aha ono so de ne de ba betuga
aha ye pesa aban no fix your mind no mayen ye bre wo man nim ye we enye NDC enye MPP ye pesa aban no o fix your mind no e mayen na yenti memu for ye boys ne girls ayo man ye hoto ye nkakra because ye papa o mampenya be de tie ba mia o say before beto aban say ye tro aba na obema ye car dia ye adwuma ye tro aba wie ye hu car no nti no say o ma ye car no kwa na on fan hihye bi mra na ye nso ayetwu moto no ye nya bibi mfa ntro aduane ma ye ma ni we na system no obi anya kakra mpodwe nti ye sra na o ma ne de on fix it we anya MPP na anya NDC on fix your mind no e ma ye na ye ntimemu for ye boys no so no ye ho nto ye da na ase yeah me ma to ma ko pen se o de officer man ni mai me bro because my sister 10 good years ni they be am don go for tia o ma e hwe it's done mona yeah you go blow tira on who mona wa form na bi go blow tira
me dem ko ada ntimi
yeah me better question access
na me ko ada ntimi
o ko na bo say bona ni form
wa ko ada
me mo na bo me bro I'm take pictures SM yes base ready the gutter you don't know better bola fine
me be so about to know you had better him what be coffee another better one coffee
madam boss try don't me
what they say no say no better say ono ne de na fan to from nto ono so de ne attitude wetimi afexi ni ye pa kwa ba ba sa kasa me pese me yo
sha da no first time abra na pan na
ono so de de ahye no ho am say
ya be fix here once and ya fix country wo dey say because ye bre they say you on more to some last year me high than say 80 Ghana this year 1.5 we were yiri wo ba but when you promise say okada na obama ya jai na wapeka sama ya wamfa kas bia ama onu sunya wanchro bia amba uri asenti we no enye politics mejina o me NDC wunni me MPP wunni e ya wunchiro na wo mu na enyina ya ye ready say be fix ho ti omu so omu try so be fix momu mbaka nchire say omu ko boy busia ama ye de tax money de tia ama mbaka ja say bunsam na first kan ya bre ti ya pa omu choma enya abufo na de nam obi na obi nku wo da say the sister me that's why me dey fight
peace and ehye say Ghana betumi atumfo na timi ayeye eno ana obi a ehye awoye o my mother for yegusu edi aye freedom fighters for the echi aya ko wa hwe say na obi ani abre dia ya be omo no mu we nim ha yi a omu ni echi ya be omo no freedom fighters for and they yegusu edi omochi police for so no omani abre ni nyina na so na ma eye efe ne say oman no peace at me abem freedom fighters won say that be other nya demonstration say ya obeti na ya buru obi na ekunkum obi asoja for kwat me dom hu jim hu be mafi ena de ne de a police for ankasa ana omodo omo ho agima police for na mo hwe omo yi an omodo omo ho agimu bia police for e de majo mo kasa kese ni na omodo omo ho agimu omo ana mo ya nkrofo ya hihye omo say omumbo aye oman ne ban ntiti ene de omadwuma anomo ya omumbo aye oman no ho ban omumbo ye nyina ho ban na basabasa ya ankwaso e demonstration ni mu etu atoto amaso e demonstration no ene tia gas na ho keka ho ni na amaso e oman ni mu eno na ye hwe se e maso an asumdie ana ye pre asumdie na atwire no ne asanso pre no se oman no ebetimi aye ye so oman ni timi ye na setimi kwaso ama obi bia na obi akuma so ade timi be mu a asumye ni yansa beka asumye ne be yansa beka ama mpeni bia so betena kunya so a obeda eduma na ndo so no so obeda basa won ye timi anya na ye nsuso dia na obi a so na adwimu ama mpeni bia na adwimu be ha no je se Ghana for enso mama ka kika no no ana do so pa eyiye ene de omusi NDC for months na sentire o Mama to nonsense, Mama Munyan say, Muna, ya fight Yamamo. Because my wife your position to more and I'm going to say anything for. David, and this for him before Shemubi. And this is for Shemubi. Into when ya and this year, Debbie, and no more. I say, oh, Monsoma, no more to me, and yes, some more. Emma or mine, so the enemy, the enemy, so the end. A very wise into more tears, yes, sir. I don't know some again for. I did two a year, and this is for any happy before Nina, I shall move in your man. I was a man, mother's entry. I'm more mine, and to me, why am I money and two for. I know, be I didn't know. I shall move. I was here for. Well, shine. My hammer, the assembly by Yaka. The now for those who the assembly by Yaka. I know if you didn't assemble by Yaka. You know, assemble. Ghana and I had to say. Say. And Uncle Bia peacefully say. And another young people for Uncle Betty. I didn't go for Betty, dear. And I can one and I can bet me. I'm on mine who let me higher and another dog. And company said, Juma is on my Juma. And you know, it is Ankabaya and Kamel Juma in Yeduma. So on this cigar, I'd bet I have factory one damn now. Factories now on and one I made a who here, my boss was you. Factories now on the Noah. Jim, Nasa is a factory now. Epium, no money to be and two. I don't know. I am for hour. I'm going to them. Other for a good aircraft. Demonstrations in the Muno. And DJ answer our house to say. And you before so, it's an uncle for what I'm saying. And then the pastor, it's a man for what I'm saying. It's too sharp. And the air and then they are sacred. They are dear Nika. Nina, I can't to point in a monam. And I never point in a monam. And in answer my prayer, I'm on my next in a year. Two aircraft. Two aircraft, and yes, yeah, Bob, on a other school. I'm also when you're going. I would have
We want our leaders to know that we are very serious. Our future in their hands. So they should look at us and build the country, fix the country, change the constitution, and look at the youth. Think about the future. It's not by NPP and NDC. No, they need to change certain things in a politician country. The Ghana youth are very serious. They are focused and vigilant. We know what they are doing. And this is not the first time. We will do it over and over. If they don't do anything about this, we are very serious. Things are we the citizens are suffering. Citizens are suffering. Why? Why should it be so? Nigerians are enjoying. Burkina Faso are enjoying. If foreigners come here, they are enjoying. We the citizens, we are suffering. Why? Why should it be so? I am graduated student. I'm graduated, but still look at. I'm riding motor. Is it so? Charlie, they need to change certain things. They need to change. The president, the politicians must know that they have to change and fix the country. The youth are suffering.
And the president, any company, they have to change things. They have to change things. I know any Ghana.
You know, it's not. You know something? It's not only about fixing the country. We want to break that political chain of the NDC and the MPP. Because this time around the youth to the high word you perceive a break is our circle no near the new party constitution they 100% or CSS because
everyone means we are not to trim. About a mom with you, my rough, and I'm watch from Ramka say spend 1 hour. African ever shall.
I didn't tell you that also. Hey, Nana. As I say, young time never PM our Independence Square. It's Independence Square, one nancy, and they go to Yan Nancy, and Ibra Abbas, see our day. Time now, so Manana says, say, PM more Independence Square. Hey, Mina may add a show you. Independence Square, Hannah, you, BBC wa Independence Square.
Well, my name is Nicholas Beidu, and I'm coming all the way from Cape Coast to join this demonstration. But my problem is say, you penny for no more mine, one who say mine no mutimukwa. Minka so mu nye ejuma o. They are working, but they need to. I saw money to form. no mu sheni pandoma aba ha sei etu pa chese bibia koya nko bi beba ha omba ha. So the government need to set up the appointees no more munda more monka so mu pe Lankusa eden me MP I will not even worried about car. What be this car ye den work for your people to see say you are working. So what I said enti nyoma bebre enkoye me you know the kind of work me here. I mean to me export kube eba Accra. Me kube almost 10,000 Ghana cedi, 15,000. Be 2 weeks. Quite in yet. See what I said? The road is not good. It is only a boka. Ne kube na ye de ni aboka. See what I said? Me for kube po maka. Eti abaino onye bibi. See what I said? System ni de men kase obeti my system no 100%. Debi nobody can do it. On peta ne kakra. See what I said? Investment for the bread to me mining. I have one friend who invested where I say, "Oh, sit alone to me." So what I say, "Of you Cuba, what?" So what I say, "Ain't no man boy day." So what I say, "Ain't the government need to set up, even though the security agents they know, but they can't voice out. We are the only people who can voice out. You understand? So I'm pleading the government. Say the government need to do something. You understand? Because you're mamu. So what I say, Bibia ko yanki yembe say we see a time. The energy na yede wahano. We are doing something to benefit the generation. You understand? Inti media kakra meka no mu media na ko etire. Inti sometimes say ya mo kan bi nche aban no hu say nyoma nko ye wo street ni so. Ye pa chopi. Yeah.
Yo, never say for enya be ma no so ni ono so person aka no ana de atu eye adwana ye papa bi so wa person.
Your friend was semi free Kumasi na bae. The way normal see co ground so no enye amanfo kasa this a timer e was a ban for ebe nyina omudi take care because omo no de omo ba na nipa ye ho kire e na akola e ko school teacher need to me catch any parents say o pese wo twade a this omo na ye classes 2 million na course 8 million every month awofo ni nsu enti if says a free education grant say one and even maame ne papa kodwom na nke yeto ade dia ankeye but papa ne maame kodwom aye nto ade na wo ba so free school aba so ntimi mewebo e de obedidi na suan na nipa su ti obibi ye anipa ho behen han ya wonye because they were ebufuo ba nipa ma ye kom na de ebufuo ba na first pe nwulam ehu esin fie ba se enwe fie ehu sin nwulam because wo fie a ahokyere nwulam so a ahokyere ti won tra no onye bibi sani ebe ya maburu no ye benya wodo bi ko dua ebu a emo ba akofo anaboni ba obi trima ye nkumi nwie bi ara kokuma obi nwia na de oya abom anim ti yesere no wada won sole anytime bia issue bebe bia ye terrible bia no na woni Ghana BBC no so na nkwaba Ghanaians me pamacho munya abotre mintimi solve ni nyina kakra sen meye nipa beble person munya president nya to have a little patient like this but entisa abanya abako obienu a wa create adwuma ka dada na na eta free ho na wo so ba so afede ko ye defend for one party but ye ba say we free nary ko obian fansu nyansa say o say bio say si na beba fa we nyansa na days na ye ato say holidays no public holidays no ye de be demonstration say na be ya empanyimfo ni be hu se mabru ni ye nia blessing wo mo ti wo ba no ano oda ye ni mo edibobos anye no an editu abaye de pese mabru ye magana fo empanyimfo nya no bi oba bi ehunu se eni mo edibobos an fa no atu ya se na be ya akoba bi na ho chi na aslade a on sabeka
asem kese pa na pa e de ato e futu nsem ana o de abato ama yade for egusu di e freedom fighters for echi e kwa e independence ebusiafo mo sha sesi ade Independence Square ne be PM awa ha mi se Independence Square ne be PM wa mi se ya be PM yenye du ewie freedom and justice ɛno ana mo amuni ɛhwɛ ɛno ana yɛahwɛ ɛno na yɛhwɛ
atuda kwa kufa do hwɛ mpanyinfo a ɔnyɛ mu nyinaa bɛgu kakra wɔ so mesi emu su agya yɛda yɛ adwuma no yɛmu su 4% yɛmu su adwuma yɛda yɛ adwuma no mama yɛ 4% not bi da yɛda yɛ adwuma no mama yɛ 4% ada mu bu yɛ sɛn mu bɛ sɛ yɛ kɔsi afɔ na yɛda yɛ adwuma no mama yɛ 4% sa program bi ɔbɛ wusu fɔsia ɔbɛ wusu fɔsia yɛda yɛ adwuma
the nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold her and make her great and strong. National anthem, and they are so national anthem. They are also, and then friends, Ghana, the annual Mutu school, the when I am national anthem. I can't be now. And then the Independence Square and they have a PMU. Make us say, Shiomukasi and Ankasanga Independence Square and we in Shiomuno. Independence Square and we in Shiomukasi. And so, Momu, Shimu, our Independence Square, and then a honor airport, you read and a cyber for you remember Independence Square, you remember and say, freedom fighters, and a more Shimu, our hand say, we are Canada, not now, the teacher, Independence Square, and I have a few Ghana etimi ayeye Ghana etimi ejina biom Ghana etimi ejina biom aje se nyina ade hu ahye mu ebi Ghana betimi ayeye Ghana betimi ejina mu aje se nyina ade hu ahye bi yanfa ye ho ahye mu a enye yie Ghana etimi ankoso Ghana etimi anda said bye
na problem is say you say me for Kumasi never na me problem no so big. Esa osha ya mpaboa nim se Kumasi de o ka Kumasi a se mpaboa na ya design ya wo Kumasi no a o ma sheda e de akọ China into de me sister me ma hwe uni na ma de fa man for nine e roba na mo de ya design ya na nka ya share family no mo de akọ China ma ya no uni wo bi na ma na roba yejuma na se asekra ye se ase yento so you're demanding minister no so for Ashanti region Alan Cash minister of trade and yes sir one share employment minister one share say man have say yes you want Saju Juma na ye di ye bobo man na be tax enti me say me pa no me ade ha me person ye hwe no ye hwe say enkati Juma we ni na kan unya bibi na say amanfo almost Saju Juma no so mo di omo ya a mo di say ye hwe on em protect ma ye nko fa China de no ye nko ye fa nina ma abontin sa ye so me problem no me da say
yeah ban so de dia atuja abusa for say nia me kai no Independence Square and e ba be pie mu e wa hanu say freedom fighters for obia aba pie mu e wa Independence Square ishia mu kasi na aba kwaso aba ha ichi obia be hwe mu nia kwaso ye pasi fu mu de ma be pie mu de mo ya ha ye ai o hwe police fu aha o be so mutimi records connect e bia bi so mo de pongo ana ma be pie mu e wa hanu say Independence Square de pie mu hwe mu kasi ni na ha na be kwaso ni ba se bia bu se fo mu kusu aka ya ho eri na aba somo aba hanu mu say ni ba se bia mu kusu aka ya ho brother ba say do not scroll away men ko be bia aha ya open detailed information ni e kwaso ni e ba si e wo eye fix the country mu nsɛmsɛmu a ni freedom fighters for ni na e waka ni o meka ni na ai ni na be pie mu e wo eye Independence Square hanu mu say iti mungu su anka ya ho ye de adwentre ana manfo mu asam na enti ebi mu wa ha omo haw ni na ye be hye mu e wa hanu say ai mungu su anka ya mo mu yimoni emfi hanu say da ai ebi mu ehye red red mu hye black black mu su hye white ebu nso hye tuntum ebu nso penti omenum tuntum ni na weje eya ni antia mu ni na ba pie mu e wa menya mema we de ya chia mu na ebu mo hye red ebu mo hye white ebu nso hye black member wo de aso first ade na wo hye white
de me hye white ni but antia me hye white ni say nkunimdie ni de ya di dada ana tuntum no so kire say abibifo a wase ya fa yantuma pafra nti tuntum ni kire say yes
anti wonim na wapeti tuntum anu so dina manto banana
no enu gina wo say abibifo ye tuntum nti a wase ya accept that abibifo na ye no yeah
minya mama ene de fix the country won some ye de nti ana say butaye be nti ana won so wo de abaham say
butaye me de abaham ne say ya de plastic asay yensase ene yensuo nyina nti saban ne behwe na ya tutu niema yie na say efin we nyina ya tusu sa o man ni mo a me didi ye say o man ye befa yantuma pa afra
ene wakasa ye mi ko ye nia be ma ono so ahye tuntum no eho minya mama we dia me nia be ma ba ko no wadi nka kire say tuntum no aye say a best stand for yam black no also dia no jidi ana na also dia no different thing America
yeah me jidi say yeah tuntum still ana sisi anu so ye we ni bremu yeah ana ye pese ye omu hu say ye tuntum na ye di gina no kire say ye na nanom omu di kan call ye no omu huhum no e da so e wo ho eti ase ana ya san ba biem e ba be kun agi oman ni fa ahode biem because ye na nanom e di omu moja e na agi oman we e na mu nya no mu ya bibifo nti mu ye ne de mu ayagina mu sa bibifo wo be hwe mi komu so a kokko de mu anu kire say ye refi ye e bibiman e ba ni say ade bia ye de moja e na agi nti ene due se wo be hu ye wo ha na kire say ye ni abiri pa ayaya krado say ye de moja e be go atan agi oman ni bio nti ye da say
minya mama also butaye bia wo de be pie mu ana da so man
Aya bebre wa hwe ordinary Ghanaian na ketua kiti but your number of taxes are ye dey agu nipa so say ontua light bill water bill na sebi ubu ba na wo be so a usi onye din make sense na sabi enim say wa fa ba e di bu ba say hwanya ma bebre ye dey aso ye yentumi nsua nti edoso na ye kan anu tuma yen bra ye bra ne no yen ma e ba no ombe bra more than de ye bra no nti ya gina ne e de ama ochina nti de ye no ye ya ma ye ntini ma e ba yen ma ne ye na no ma ombe ba no na nyama mu ye mbre na ya gina ha no ya ba ya se mu pen aba ku pen nti se asan ba biom na ya ye we a enya wanwa bia enya bibia enya new ne wo se ye se enya ne a yentumi ye biom it must be today and nothing na who here han ye na brepa ba just ya fa no cool because sebi ukunu na wa ma nyansa so adiwanim wo ma basa ye ana wo ya hu say bia say ni say police for na gu hai do ye nsoro am ye right ana ye fight ye seek freedom and justice ye hu say freedom and justice nti hu ye wa ha de ntia ye gu hai ni
so akasa ai ene de wa mate reincarnated souls ni na mo be pie mu aba hanum say ni na ne say incarnated no ye ba no akun ye ama oman nti na bi mo hihye ay red ay mo hihye black na so omo gina mu ama say still we are blacks anu nti no be pie mu mo hihye white no say ikunim de no enya ayo omo de ewe ye say any brain and soldier so any Benin Square freedom fighters for say any brain de soldier go motion ne akwaso any brain no enya soldier ewie no ebusia for any brain mana na ya ga na fo nyina egusu aye no mugusu aprepre ho mo motion ne akwaso ya mo metimi ehu bi say yes o mani abre baba pa yie papa so kasa ye papa so
but Jordan TV station am also Damasin say my dey my buy and na jumadi na yeji no motumi aye dey motumi aboa yen but mo asem kakra dey e kan e dey ba TV station we so dey ha mi ntira mbesa me kasa ni say isi anu na na ye pa chao e yan kola e man no e da oda e na obetu ye den obetu ye na nanum no de kan bedu o man ne so na so yehu ahokyerɛ ehu ɛwɔ yaw ne ɛnɔma bi sei da nti nana yɛ pakyɛw yɛtumi kase mfa obuo nyɛ dɛn ɛmma wo yɛnyina yɛ papa no yɛ Ghanafoɔ mba basisi a no nɔma bi kɔ so wɔ Ghana ha ɛnyɛ nɔɔma pa nti yɛpɛ sɛ ɔmfa w'ani nto fam sɛ wɔadwumayɛfoɔ MPs ministers a na mpanimfoɔ wɔyi wɔn sɛ wɔn boa ne Ghana ntumi ntu mpɔ no so wɔn nyaa nana na wɔayɛ dɛn wɔahwɛ mu yie na wɔayi nipa a wɔbɛtumi ayɛ dɛn aka yɛn ho aboa yɛn sisi a bibia yɛ illegal ufa afa wɔn so wɔn bɛyɛ ose oyɛ si wɔn so wɔn se wɔn bɔ amanfoɔ tuo egu amanfoɔ rɔfrɔf nana yɛ patɔ ɛman no ɛnyɛ nyinaa yɛ deɛ ɛyɛ maame mu na gye ɔman no yɛ dɛn esi wɔn ma yɛ Ghana motherland ɛyɛ Ghana motherland eti nso yɛ pɛɛ maame mu asɛm eti na ɛman no still na yɛ da yɛ dɛn yɛ ti ɔman no mu nana yɛ patɔ yɛ nana yɛ siraw obuo ne nidie kwan so yɛ frɛ mi Nana Kofi mi patɔ mi siraw so wutie mi die a nana mi patɔ yɛ patɔ so wɔ hɔ a nana sɛ wada nana sɔre nana sɛ wada sɔre nana asɛm apɛsɛ mi ka kyerɛ ne sɛ nana sɛ wada na wasɔre.
Nenam so a mede bɛpie ha ɛnɛ dɛ a yɛ nyinaa yɛbrɛ adwuma nyɛ even game boys yɛde yɛn ho gyim because of adwuma nni country ne mu nti no yɛde yɛn ho gyim mu sɛ yɛbɛfrɔde ɛno kora mpo na nkɔyɛ still yɛnkɔyɛ biribi ankɔyɛ ana wadaroma ne ɛmo yɛ nyinaa no mu di sika yɛ ho yɛka kyerɛ mu sɛ monyɛ adeɛ biribi ama youth obia ne wɔyɛ krɔmfoɔ Ghana ne ba bia ne ɔde ɔbɛkɔ akɔtena hɔ sɛ ɔwi adeɛ no ɔfɛle kora mpo sɛ ɔbɛwi adeɛ ɛsane sɛ adwuma ne hɔ nti no youth ne bɛkɔ akɔwi adeɛ na youth ne kɔwi adeɛ na wɔsan tena adeɛ akɔ akɔto prison ɔbɛba no work ɔbɛsan yɛ deɛ bio enti no ewiase no yɛbrɛ Ghana na ɛnyɛ sɛ ewiase nyinaa baabi adwo mɛnka nkyerɛ yɛ sɛ ewiase no like ewiase yɛ deɛ no abrɔfo no digital ba bibia ɔmo de ka first ne yɛ nante enti wiase na adwo ama nipa wiase na yɛ mmerɛ but mo deɛ mo ntia sɛ mo pɛ sɛ mo create wiase na yɛ sisi a both drivers Uber drivers yɛku wɔn mo rough debi ɔmo complaining ɛnso yɛmmua wɔn country ne nyɛ nneɛma nkɔ so wonti wonni adwuma a wobɛyɛ so ho enti yɛpɛ sɛ nana yɛmpa nana yɛmpa wo kyɛw pa bia ni hɔ obi ani wo kyɛw pa yɛne yɛde wo si so yɛnyɛ sɛ bɛpa nana do kyɛw no ɛkyɛw pa bia ni hɔ yɛpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ adeɛ ne ma yɛ yɛadeɛ ne by force yɛnyia kyɛw pa yɛ nana do yɛne wo ni kyɛw pa yɛapa mo kyɛw a yɛabrɛ ɛnɛ yɛne mo ni kyɛw pa bia yɛpɛ sɛ mo yɛ adeɛ ne by force ma yɛ na yɛde ɛko yɛama sɛ yɛbɛko yɛdɔ yɛ ho yɛdɔ man no wotu akyɛ sɛ sika no mo kye so wo si yɛte sika so yɛbrɛ wo si youth mumpushi ampa yɛpushi yɛate aseɛ yɛpushi yɛpɛ sɛ mo yɛ adeɛ ne ma yɛ so akyɛ sɛ aborɔfo no sɛ mokɔbɔ bosia a mode bɛtotɔ dan yɛyɛ dɛn ɛma mo ho yɛate aseɛ sɛ moyɛ saa neɛ buroni mpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ bɛyɛ enti yɛn nso yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛne ɔmo bɛnya nkoa bi a yɛne mo blacks naa neɛ ne mo yɛ because moayɛ mo ho sɛ black superior bi a mote yɛ so mompɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ youth no yɛbɛnya ho bɛtɔ yɛnyɛ accident yɛpira yɛwu so akyɛ sɛ ka kwan ɛnyɛ yɛda bi a yɛpira yɛwu enti no nana yɛka kyerɛ mu straight monyɛ adeɛ ne ma yɛ monyɛ ɔman ne ma yɛ monyɛ kwan ne ma yɛ momma yɛ school momma yɛ hospital momma yɛ adwuma nyɛ ne yɛn nsa kɔya no saa 1,000 series na mode ma yɛ no ɛnu 1 week na asa ɛnyɛ yɛ hwee enti yɛpɛ sɛ moyɛ wei ne yɛ dɛ ɛma yɛ ɛno ano no ɛno ano yɛ dɛ yɛpɛ sɛ youth no yɛ dɛ ɛyɛ ye ɛno ano no ɛda mas
NABCO is not a well-befitting job. NABCO is what is it? It's not a sustainable job. It's job for the boys. We want jobs that we can make a good livelihood from, a good living from. How many of them will send their children to go and join NABCO? They will find Senate and all these better places for their children. And whose children deserve those places? We are all citizens of Ghana. We all deserve what is good for Ghana. If your child deserves to be here, I also deserve to be there. This other person's child deserves to be there. So what we are telling the president is they should fix the country. We are not begging him, as my brother said. You begged us to give you the mandate. Don't even think of we coming back to beg you to fulfill the promises that you made to us. No, it doesn't go down like that. You begged us and we gave you the mandate. You are supposed to serve us, not we to serve you. You can't be using our $150,000 to buy Land Cruiser, luxury cars for yourselves. When we can't even afford that trotro. No, some people couldn't go to work because their distance to their workplace and what they are paid at the end of the month cannot sustain them. What are we doing? What are you leaders doing? What are you leaders doing? You owe us a lot. We don't owe you anything. You owe us a lot. So what we are telling them is we are not begging them to face the country. We are forcing them. We are going to continue like this till we see a revolutionary change. So this is what I got to tell the old greedy bastards. They need to check up themselves.
When the resolution, and one amount for April, some amount for every resolution, and a April, so made.
Well, can and I can come a ship or Gamanoni. Lalani by a ban and Akufado, make I debut Amanoi, make I debut Amanoi, Sulu each of me fair, Mini Bena, what about bets, 1 minute, Bena will enter back bullet to Monsani, Sulu perform, make I debut Amano. Nana got 5. What a school at the Lego can be. Valley University, I got to mobile drivers, I got to more taxi drivers. We need jobs. 1.5. Nipama call for access to a family. 1 year for. What be very clear on Musumi? Now 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, Chado Mania Brown.
Yes, the president said, Ghana, a Juma Bianua, 100 you to know who. Now said, Ghana, school club endorse, university endorse, Ufia club, or the Okolego, and can be and can Muslim, what another Juma. I'm going to you to phone. Yes, let us say paying for no more do youth. I'm other yes, say I'm going to Nancy, I'm going to do your home view. Nancy scan air come bottom. And can cry all the sick at children. But you see, I never bank and wire. All the sick party and can wire. Youth forever. If you are catching, say, I do a catch or sick at children. On season of fancy, I never Papa and I to my
Nanado Kasabi Mayanti assessor, or say at Tiscasso as the comedy. Now, Anna Shire Bonia, Ebinima Shanti, Anna Maya Bre. Now, no, or Baba, or Baba two scammers cannot be Amaya, and you're scaredy. Or about two scanapity, I'm a my gun and you're scaredy. Now, so a bayano, your horse and your biara. Omaka, baby, say, Mahama, also no. Petro, yes, I go to 17 cities. Every question do sa. No, also Petro, a can could be 4 cities and not 5 cities. Now, we don't buy, I'm about to show. Now, some buy no 1 city, Cromantia, or 1 10 Fiso. You mobile in answer, I'm 2. I want 2 miles to the stand, and a Petro, a cost to the stand, say. You're doing get your crampono, and a Banku 1 city, say, got 2 cities. Yes, every month on 3 cities, can't get 3 cities, no 2 cities. They say 1 city in Nimbio, 1.5 in Nimubium. And Tibra be a year bray, none the one who are, and that's all no way. Now you say, it's not on no but not so, but not so. I'm an abusive for, or in a bush of 4 years, who for so Quana. There be, yeah, and you got him, a idea, you got Robotier, I got him, man. Yet, you have so much, you are so. So because of say, oh, you're not getting on the moon. So bar, over Timabaya Bibi, Amagana 4, especially at Mabunu, Yanya home for Swanty, you got Simumano. Now that you know about Yano, Obabaya dear on like a Sawape, the Abbey, and for the Bible may and Tiasia said. So person we can defer, also we are the Musum or Mano, and no man is also Musum war. There be, and that's how the tear. Who now is also more man, your man Becano, I know just a way yet. I had the one cast was to sell by yet. What did I make an ASEAN? It's yes, Ronaldo. Baby, your man, a cocoa, baby, your cocoa channel. 1 year pay. Then there's a set to you and to ye. At the same penny for say. You are dead and 1 for 2 a free talk. It's yes, Ronaldo. So on your baby. You see who be.
Yadasi, Yadanado, as he said, Brenna, the Yako Tumunu, Yadanasi. Also, fresh chessing away. 1 town, 1 village, 1 town news on Wayne. Yes, Mimi Pesami Casabe, Mimi Yakbeni, or Peso Yadi Haya.
me born to you straight. Me born to you straight. No, because ye bre, ye juma ye nyaska, ye kokroma ye nyaska. Me bisa na nadu asemba kupe. Na on bisa onu kasa na ju ye wia obechi ya na onchi ye. Idanasi.
All right. All right. And what I enter me the last thing, my peer and anope wie. Amidi Ghana mabunu anim say ye nyina ye pia bonten na ye mfa yakodisem ana say ye how ni your worries ni your disturbances nyina fa to dwane nyina ne say ade ba kwa ma sha no so no say ye Ghana mabunu no omu bredodo Ghana mabunu bredodo immediately a Ghanaian youth gets to Accra pe na nejuma na oye no ni salary 50% ahye den tina me kasa me say Ghana mabunu onya fruka afri ni chrome anase ne krase na onyo be pm e won crime pe ni salary ejuma oye ni salary no 50% ahye ni nyina ne se sa babunu no sika kakra ogia no odi bi ekwa akotua rent aboden odi sa sika bi fruka odi sa sika bi etonsio odi sika kroya na edidi tua light bill enti se Ghana babunu onya beduru Accra pe ni 50% salary ni ahye enti me say you eden na omampanyi Akufo-Addo ni na aban omoye mayen nanum ya na ye nyina yeti krom ha e na omampanyi ni na pamfo or the 15,000 pounds e dey high plane 1 hour bia ye tua Ghana mabunu and I say Ghana taxpayer money no 15,000 pounds e na ye di tua sa plane for neka eden ti na o say eba sa me am gina hey de bia me kasa bia na say be bia obebu me bia no me gina ho ma Ghana mabunu number 1 number 2 any biafo ohiafo sanya nyame adoma anka me amigina hey me physiotherapy professional e work Kolebu Teaching Hospital sanya adom bi ene su me so a anka ene mentimi am bepiem ha say sanya adom bi ene pejame a bibia ne ho ametimi aye botayenti ye to aba edima omampanyi ni na pamfo ni nyina ne say ye de Ghana to me Ghana ahondi Ghana sika Ghana nyansa nyina de ahya wunsa say dani no kakra na chane ensu obia so but adiba kwa ye hunu se sa abanya etusu ya na nado aban no katahye proye dream kankan adokro aban no insecurity gross insecurity free SGS o ma kofa abai ni nyina ya de enye papa entident na sasikai yese yankukru $1 million yemfa kosi cathedral dent na yemfa sasikai FNC classrooms denti ena yemfa sasikai enfan kosi classroom enti denti a yegina ho enani se oman agija oman say yan sorry engina ho anchichire oman na say yan sorry engina ho num na yasisa nyomemu a oman no yehwe no hwe hansa na agija enti nanado omanpanyi nanado vice president Bawumia ministers of state any abamu panyifo nyina yesramu ye de adisre de etumonim Ghana mabunu ebre Ghana mabunu yeni ejuma ye Ghana mabunu no ye fa atetini eyamu mumbo modia na musisa nyoma mama ye fix Ghana now and fix Ghana now. I thank you for your attention.
Minuaba, you see Akufo-Addo ni na ban omo di Ghana fo edi agro enkaka Christopher any Muslim fo politicians edi yadwi any yakuma edi agro na Christian Council asema mimi ka kire omo mu ni se Akufo-Addo si Ghana ni bia be 100 Ghana cedis for cathedral omo start wo Christian Council ho omo start ko to asasika no na asasika no the Ghana youth we are not going to pay that fucking money because it doesn't make sense. Ghana your country bia your born piety or maybe our chrome ha isu ye wia China na omo nji Yesu Kristo ndi no ye wia na yasa ko China for her say omo ma busia. It doesn't make sense to me. Akufo-Addo uba in politics mu no uba share Ghana for boss say uba ye ABC one country say obesi cathedral one country one manifesto musa uba besi cathedral na fe dey edrobe no dey wo na me say youth now ya rising no politician in this country can stop us. No politician can stop us in this country. No politician can stop us. Common sense for our rising Afrifa, this one rising, Captain Smart, there is nothing our politicians, but yeah, it will bring the youth down. Thank you.
We are telling Mr. Wakwata, the road minister. No, it's not about the benefit to being quiet. We are telling him, sir, a Ghana Quina, yes, sir, about Yatuabano, I for any sir, you better fix the Quino, the year of rose, the year of rose. This year is the part of the year of rose. We are telling Mr. Ovoleta, sir, I cry Quina Turkey, I cry ma, guys, not also. Cry, obey my Casimcho. From Circle, from make us be a check for from Circle to Malam Junction. Sakaban, we are a railway quay, and the code with this car. What was loan is swap? It don't offer free Circle to Malam Junction. Now, Mom free Circle come along down with traffic swatch channel or Mom for train. Ebema Kais na your system now. I choke you quite baby. You better not require me if you what I say. No, quite matter how because I cry, man. And some of a free Circle. Ebe drew a chimata no plan now. Not take 3 hours. And son away from a corner of five of him. I profuni developed the fast as I said the fast road. You are telling for letter. So the road is Meme cook say. So for VIP. Now do go to dancing. And your pegas, how much kind of now? Was when you got it. So what VIP when I say can the old corner of the bar. Oh, by another book to joy. Now what then your message or the walk on the wapa. Because a corner a single lane. Sakano, so pass me a newborn San Juan. Oh, my man, we are sure it will be at some bus cinema. We make sure so to no other. Or that's additional could do. Because when it's here, I am share. But almost I say, only if I'm going to 1 minute. I sent this all. It's your chum say from Accra to Takrade, a single lane. Our cities from Accra to Kumasi, a single lane. From Accra to Afrawo, a single lane. It's so much time. That's what my mind now. Accidents of the Queen's here. We will suffer. Never suffer. We are telling for letter. Say, yeah, of course. And so to talk. And so to know. And so to you. And the Percy. It's a young summer relaxing. Government. Make my time come out and say, government won't say, so I think it's so this month. Last month. My person, the young summer okay. That's a sort of start to try. Or by my phone, you go for classic. When you go for quiet, on bed didn't know by another. I'm a year to come. You are telling for letter. I'm a quarter. Papa, my name sound. Me papa no. And a human now, you know, as soon to know. As I come with each other. Me a youth. Me or me papa, me say, me Casan Banca say to our offense, but Casan Mecan about 1 year. Make us and I mean, I can't in me bonnet of say, I want to be a gas or Casa. I can't connect. Empty from Rose Hospitals and Manimana, I can't and no ye. Mini Kinyadwa, MPP near NDC. Obian Obiama development, Emma Ghana and Sin Obia, Omunina, we are bonkele. So what you see, Omunina, the Modia first one, and ya youth, and Rafono Mofiano. To be nothing on Mamma. So what you see, and maybe slow because if you say I am a beau to be our say, the kind is secret. So what you see, many Trinidad watch say, Samira, I go for the bar, I saw them on my eye of friend. Who had the fear anymore no more. One loan, what they would fear anymore, near my fear. We're creating loan, F. Francasa, best circle, a crowd fear. We are saying, oh, super for dear. I honor a man for junkie for Johnson. Me so be say. At you, a moment, me baby do so come. Me police ni, me na re. Adna me have say. No more so yes animal. O ma. I just say, o mu nya adwuma no. De me met ma kan nyina ne say. Henry Kote, Accra regional minister for president man da. Me to chairman no. I'm telling you for a fact. O your president now. Ghana for 1 year. One buy ya wasaba. What did you say, Henry Cote? What the radio? There be a year deserted or Donna River. I am one other room on 1 area. Share Accra Central. Share Nema or ye. Meet me, you to be any Minister Bain and the bit markets were about massing man for the shortest possible time here. Or yadi, it may a coming qua, ye hear the Sassuo and a Quababi on my
Amen. Mr. Kakra de Besosuni, Miniana Casabi, Wabasa, but one black sheriff and Jomina Toyano, and another down Quadino of a Sorbon, because of the Kweku. It is a boy, Kweku Adwa, Obiabe Usayono, or the Assembly Babet or the Assembly. Share demonstration, not Yen Missy Pemba. And not be Musistro, but a cat and another down and then a dom and the NDC for say. So a man's so much in Yen, your best so much in amount. Yeniabre, Yen Diagro, because when as some way to be a metalcam, Obia Kayayu, or Sianiama, open money opportunity, and call just France, and answer UK here. Open was ourselves about to be sitting. Yana yet to Chromia, Nana Obama yet, Castle. Comedy, we have a lot of things, but at the end of the day, away, demonstration, yeah, one of them, but the second one, Chiaswa, yeah, near the crack, near 200.
Yo, and then I pay it for Mr. Miwa, your bonnet, and I say, my mind and Koye, young blacks, your life, oh, danger move. Yeah, as if I'm for doy, I'm on doyo. I'm young Bequina. I'm young Bequina, my dear. Now, maybe all this can do be into Unjana. Mogan Benifom Wujay. Namoko. After their money, be Pia Moon, I'm waiting in Namoko. In the Benifoi, we are money here. Me Umbetomaka. Me bounce on my own Umbetomaka. What I say? Now, I'm not trusting Umbetomo. Now, stand your way at ye. Send a May Quay. Be best you. I'm out for Bonum, and your mom Bonomokan some womb. In some Namokan, a revelation where so. You're not going to the mom, and you yourself be an atonum. Now I can't send me. Hey, in some Nankofonica on Yumuno, Montana Supremo, if you say, yeah, bread. Yeah, bread. Yeah, you made me when I'm okay. Make me when I'm okay because I'm the Camedin, Marinam, Mebanama, no, you say a Fumuno, and then I'm my bread, Menasokoi, Menaso. Now, so then I'm saying, and your gentleman who say, Uja. Now, so me Muno, Menaso, and another Israel.
Please, good morning. I want to tell Akufo-Addo and the politicians that Ghana belongs to us. We vote for them. Nobody them they vote. But this time, we have advised ourselves. So, making family people vote for them. And stop cutting the big money. So, assuming right now, you say 2 million, you go see structure inside. Where you give to me 2 million, we go give you balance. Nobody inside, they go insult us. So we are telling him, Ghana does not belong to him. It's we the citizens. So me, at the time I'm playing, I know go vote again. And nobody defeat me.
For another day, I have a Captain Smart. I have a science, and woman here saying near Coho, near Cococha, near who near Coso, Captain Smart. I have a Casa, and woman here saying, Yabeco Honomo, near Cocha, near who near Coso, near Eva, Epesoka. Mama Kaisa, bread demonstrations never started. No, champion in Ama, Mabunus or Munina. I won't come who. Movie, any brain or money, and movie, and then they have a pack up 6 months. I'm a PM or hard to say. And some no apena eba into your quack Tiene, because I kind of wash I share mono, wash I share mono. Yet better, yet better, Amamu. I never pack up 6 months, I have a sign to know. Send a kind of wash I know. You're very now about 2 Amamu, and yet, dear baby, and dear come on that. Yeah, baby. I come on down. Yeah, baby, I come on down. What do you do? What do you do?
Hey, Esi wo ebe kasa ne be na ebe gyina ha na afei watime akasa na de ewo obi a watime de aba we de eye yeri keke na Ernesto Ghana, Ose, Somebody! Ghana, Ose, Ghana, Omuntio, Ghana, Ose, Ghana, Ose, the youth of this country are invoking the spirituality of the nation. We are invoking the conscience of the nation. And the youth of this country are speaking with one voice, the unpermissible truth. I'm sorry. Yeni na yenya bako obia ne sunsi obia yentia yeni okatechie ni so anu makasa empe divided attention here basic spirit here this is a moment of unity for our nation obia of the spirit of the nation we cancel it yenya bako na yeni na anu You don't tell us what to do. You don't tell us what to come on. Are you alright? What do you need?
much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching